Hello and welcome to this episode of White Glove Geography. Today we will be looking at energy issues in the UK and focusing on environmental issues caused by our energy sources. Key themes we will cover are the exploitation of energy sources, the burning of fossil fuels, fracking and renewable energies. Both renewable and non-renewable energy sources pose impacts upon the environment, although it is often thought that only non-renewable energy sources cause this impact. Burning of fossil fuels increases the release of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This can cause an enhanced greenhouse effect, trapping more heat into the Earth's atmosphere and rising temperatures. This could impact the environment, animal habitats, ecosystems and people. It could also melt ice caps and rise sea levels. However, the UK has seen a move towards renewable energies in recent years, which also led to the closure of power stations, especially coal-run power stations. Nuclear energy is often seen as a cleaner source of energy. However, accidents with both nuclear and oil can lead to devastating impacts on the environment. Toxic chemicals can lead to contaminated water sources, soils or the atmosphere. Contaminating water sources could damage animal habitats or ecosystems and even kill off a rare species. If damage to soils is caused, you could struggle to grow crops or indeed change a habitat again for an animal. Lack of clean water, habitats for animals, and you're also unable to grow crops. The UK has recently begun to source energy through fracking. Fracking considers chemicals, water and sand injected at high pressure into the ground. Pressure causes fissures in the rock and gas flows out. Gas and flowback water are then removed. However, this can lead to polluted water or even mini earthquakes. Fracking is now unused in the UK as a result of its environmental impacts. Renewables can still cause environmental damage even if they are thought to be cleaner or more sustainable. A wind farm can often be seen as an eyesore as it changes the physical landscape or alters the environmental view often once in this area. Damage to natural ecosystems can also occur, for example when the tidal barrier was put in place in Swansea in Wales. However, it must be considered that types of energy often bring environmental issues alongside economic gain, which is why some countries may choose to still use this energy source over its environmental issues. It's important that we learn both the advantages and disadvantages of energy sources so we can make a conclusion on whether it is right or significant to use this energy source. To summarise today's White Glove Geography video, the key themes we have discussed are: both renewable and non-renewable energy sources can cause environmental issues. Fossil fuels can add to the greenhouse effect, adding to rising sea levels, higher temperatures and damage to ecosystems. Nuclear and oil can be extremely dangerous to water supplies, habitats and people when accidents or spills occur. Fracking is now not used in the UK due to the environmental issues it can cause. Renewable energies can cause ecosystem damage and often considered an eyesore and change the views that the public see. Thank you for watching today's White Glove Geography video on environmental issues due to energy in the UK.